Greg here with Level 2 Industries in San Francisco. Wanted to take a moment today to try to bring some awareness regarding these industrial masks. We use these masks here in our facility quite a lot. They filter out particles, dust, smoke, different things when we're doing fabrication projects. In particular, how these work is as they're on your face, inhalation is coming through this white material and it's blocking everything. But what a lot of people don't understand is that there is a plastic port that is on the front of these. And that port is actually a one-way valve that when you exhale, it quickly forces all the air out through that one-way valve. The problem is that the air coming out of there, your breath, is not filtered. And they do that because we're usually wearing eyeglasses, and it prevents the air from kind of flowing up into the eye and fogging up your glasses. So this works great if you don't want to get sick yourself, but as of yesterday, we heard that COVID could be passed by just breath or just talking and breathing. And so that makes these masks all of a sudden a little bit of a danger to be out there because people who might be asymptomatic and partially sick could be exhaling all over the place. Worse is when you do have these on, you tend to be grabbing them and moving them, and you grab and move them from the port. And that's not good because you're exhaling directly onto your hand. So not only are we touching our face more, we're exhaling onto our hand and touching things. So basically, I just want to bring this to everyone's attention and just show some quick ways to, quick hacks here to block the valve. It's pretty easy to do. And by blocking the exhale one-way valve, when we exhale, it's going to be going back through the filter. So these should be used for medical staff only, but if you are using one, duct tape. We use this Gorilla brand. It's super sticky. And I had just previously cut a little round circle of the duct tape, and on this one, place it over the valve and seal it off. If you don't have duct tape and you might have a hot glue gun, then maybe a file folder or plastic blister packaging, and cut out a little, in this case, for this mask, it's a square area. And so we would just hot glue that in. And you could also get in and actually hot glue the one-way valve and just fill that all up with glue and then put something like this over it. So that's the quick hack, but what we also want to do is make sure that when we're out in the grocery store and people see us wearing these masks, that they know we blocked the port. So my suggestion is maybe just putting a little smiley face like that, and maybe a check mark next to it. And while you're at it, you might as well just put your name on it so that if you have several of these in the house, everyone knows whose mask is whose. But also when you're out in public, we can address each other, by our names and kind of know who's who. Anyways, that's it. Please be safe and try to spread this video as much as you can. And thank you very much.